Question రాసుకోండి. Draw an ellipse using travel method. Whose major axis is 120 mm and minor axis is 80 mm. Repeating the problem, see. Draw an ellipse using Fresnel method whose major axis is 120 mm and minor axis is 80 mm. Okay? Right. Now let us draw the Fresnel method of ellipse. To draw this Fresnel method of ellipse, first of all you have to prepare a Fresnel. Take one piece of paper. Fold it. 4 folds or 3 folds or 6 folds. Now on this paper look at M and N. Okay, and then ML also. Let me know what are the dimensions given data. What is the major axis? 120 mm. What is the minor axis? How much? 80 mm. So it is AB major axis, it is CD minor axis. Okay, MN is half of the AB means major axis, and then ML is equal to half of the minor axis CD. Okay, here it will be, that is 120 by 260 mm, and CD 80 by 2, it is 40 mm. Right, we have to prepare the Fresnel. What is the M and N? The distance between the M and N, half of the major axis. What is the distance of the ML? Half of the minor axis. Okay, look at a point MN. This distance is half of the major axis. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని వదిలేండి, N వదిలేసి L. M నుంచి L ఎంత ఉండాలి? Half of the minor axis. Okay, note this point. Always this L and N, these two are on the major axis and minor axis. M will be the required point. Okay, by moving all sides by the 4 quadrants. Now let us draw the major axis. Major axis ni draw chedam. ఈ Fresnel method చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ గా ఉంటుంది. Carefully listen to me. Draw the major axis. Okay, it is A, B. Also draw the minor axis with the midpoint. Take a midpoint of the major axis and draw the minor axis so that half of the minor axis is above the AB line OC, and below the major axis it is OD, so that half of the minor axis is above the AB line, half of the minor axis is below the AB line. So AO is the first quarter of the minor major axis, and OB is the next quarter of the major axis. It is first quadrant, it is second quadrant, and third quadrant, it is fourth quadrant. You have to rotate the Fresnel for all quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. According to our procedure, see, look at the N and L. Now L is I located on the minor axis. L is located on the major axis. M is our point. Okay. Put the into month. It's a 1 point. Means here you will get 1 point. And now rotate this travel. You will get another point. And rotate this travel. You will get another point. And next point, next point, next point, like this. Okay. First quarter part of the ellipse is constructed using travel method. Now rotate this one. Again, see this. I rotated this. L is on the minor axis, N is on the major axis. M is your point. Put the into. You will get point here. One more point. If you rotate this one, you will get another point. Okay. Again, I am rotating this for the second quadrant. N is on the minor axis, L is on the major axis. M is your point. You will get another point by rotating. You have to rotate like this. Number of points you will get. Again, I am rotating this one. M should be like this. Deal with gravel. Okay. Elagayna rotate cheyali. Idu ela pettukunte. Now N is on the minor axis, L is on the major axis. M is your point. Means you will get another point. All the points you got. First point is P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, again P1 dash, P2 dash, P3 dash, P4 dash, P5 dash, P6 dash, like that. Next again P8, P9, P10, P11, P12, P30. This is P30 dash, P14 dash, P16, 17, 18. Number of points will you get? So many points you will get. Then the curve will be very neat and clean. Clear answer. Now join all the points from A. The travel method of ellipse is constructed. Okay? This is the travel method of ellipse.